Welcome to the JackToken Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. JackToken is a gaming utility token developed by FortuneJack, a leader in crypto gaming since 2013. It supports a decentralized game studio and incubator, allowing token holders to participate in staking, profit sharing, and game development. With over 20 games and partnerships with aggregators like SOFTSWISS and EveryMatrix, the ecosystem provides wide distribution and engagement opportunities. The token ecosystem includes Jack's Raffle for profit sharing, competitive staking rewards, and game creation contests, with an ecosystem fund managing revenues for token buybacks, burns, and platform development. The audit focuses on the BEP-20 JackToken, as well as its staking and vesting contracts, ensuring the security and functionality of these core ecosystem components. JackToken smart contracts have been audited between October 21st and October 25th, 2024, by McGrath Coutinho, Eugenio Clars, and Senya 123, who are auditors at AuditOne. The audit resulted in the following scores: security score 100%, documentation quality 95%, code quality 95%. Let's have a look at the findings. Attacker could do-s the withdraw mechanism by staking a small amount of the Jack token under different accounts. To prevent such a scenario during the function stake, ensure that the user stakes a reasonable amount of tokens, starting from 1 × 10 to the 18th power, for example. Since the token is in 10 to the 18th power decimals, it is fair to allow staking at least 1 token. Missing check for max vesting time and add vesting. Add a check in the add vesting function to ensure that the underscore until parameter or vesting period does not exceed the max vesting time variable. Last stake time logic can force users to stake existing tokens longer. Instead of having a singular mapping tracking one global last stake time, consider implementing 2 mappings. First mapping, address staker =, UINT 256 start date =, UINT 256 amount, public X. Second mapping, address staker =, mapping, UINT 256 start date =, mapping, UINT 256 amount =, bool used, public Y. We use the first mapping to track the amount staked at a specific start date. This way we can only withdraw amount tokens after start date plus min stake lock time. We also want to disallow users from reusing a particular start date = amount combination. This is why we need the second mapping to track this used status. This solution would, in short, account for amounts based on the time they were staked, which makes withdrawals more precise rather than just having one global last stake time for all stakes occurring. JackToken has diligently fixed all the issues identified by our team. Learn more by reading our full report. Looking for a smart contract or AI audit? Click the link in the description below to book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts. And subscribe to our channel. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.